Hey everybody, good morning. It is Monday morning and I'm going to head out to Gardner Canyon, and I just wanted to give you a quick glance at all the stuff I take with me every time I go. I've got about 5 or 6 cameras with me, including my cell phone, big DSLR, 2 GoPros, the drone, etc., and then different mounts and all kinds of other stuff. And then as far as other things that I bring the full-size spare, an extra jack now, compressor, wheel chock, and then a tarp, shovel, in case I need to bury a body. That's a joke. But yeah, anyway, so it's always an adventure, and hope you guys enjoy this and hopefully we find something fun to check out. So we are on I-10. We are headed down to Highway 83, and then we're going to take a right and head south down 83 until we come to Gardner Canyon turnoff. And on the map here, I've got the CarPlay going. You can see where we're at right now, kind of. Probably going to be 30-minute drive or so, I'm guessing, to the turnoff. And then once we get there, we'll see if we can find something cool. Thanks for watching along, guys. This little area is just a little pull-off. Nice big trees, real pretty for camping or hanging out or whatever. So this is another really gorgeous area. Cruising along some of the beautiful grasslands down in there. Super pretty. And then up to the top there, that's Mount Wrightston. And you can see there's a little bit of snow on there. But this is a gorgeous area. And like I mentioned earlier, we are further south than we were going through Mavic Canyon, so we'll see some different things. Let's see what this sign says. Apache spans. So we want to go to the right. All right, so Arizona Trail, Sawmill Trail, Cave Canyon, and Gardner Canyon. Looks like about 6 miles for all of it, so let's go see what we can find. And again, this is just kind of a cool looking area right here. Alrighty, so we are at the, looks like the Gardner Canyon Trail, so I guess we turn left here and head on down the road. So we are still on the trail to Gardner Canyon, not far down here. And I just came to this sign, and they've got the sign flipped up that the gate's locked ahead. I don't know if that means Gardner Canyon is closed or if it's the turnoff is before there. Like I said, I've never been down here, so we'll keep going and see what we find. So we are at a gate. This is not locked though. This must not be the one they're talking about. So we'll go through here and keep going. that was not the gate. This is the locked gate, and it looks like it's always locked to ATVs, cars, etc. So here's the sign. Looks like it's just hiking, horses, and bikes. So that's cool. So we'll go up here a ways. It says it doesn't say number, it just says trail 143. But anyway, just check out how beautiful it is out here. I am going to get some gear, and we're just going to head up this trail a ways and see what we find. A little oil for that guy, huh? I have no idea where this goes, so I'll hike up here for a while. It's a beautiful day. Check out this view. Pretty up here, man. I'm glad I came out today. This is amazing out here. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. I'm having a great time filming it. Probably 62, 63 degrees out. Gorgeous. Looks like some deer prints. I think I'm about a mile, maybe a little bit more down the trail, and you can hear the water probably. This is so awesome. This has been such a great winter for us. This is probably snow melt coming off Mount Wrightson, I'm guessing. When you live in the desert, you get excited about this kind of stuff. So I'm right here by the stream. Hopefully you can still hear the audio. I don't have my microphone. But this is why I like getting out and doing these trips, because you run into stuff like this. I mean, I live in Tucson. It's a desert. You guys saw how dry it was this summer. And we're kind of at, I mean, low forest right now. I'm guessing the elevation has to be at 4,500, maybe 5,000 feet. I'm not 100% sure. And we've had an unusual kind of snowy, rainy winter. We just don't get to see this stuff that often, and for me to get out here and see it is just incredible. It's absolutely beautiful in my opinion. Hope you guys are enjoying it. This is why I love the Subaru. I'm gonna go back just a little bit further, and then I'm gonna try to launch the drone. There's a nice open clearing over here, and just look around and then probably head back to the car. It's incredible out here. I'm loving this. So we've gone from kind of really a single track Jeep road to kind of a more crazy trail here. Find a way so I don't break my ankle. That would be bad. Keeps getting prettier back here, guys. Looks like we might be getting to an open spot up here. Forgive my breathing. Pretty steep, and the elevation's kind of kicking my butt. So I'm sweating myself like crazy here. We are going to, this is flat, kind of flat, and it's somewhat open sky, so we can get the drone up. I'm not gonna go too much farther hiking wise. I'm back a little over 1.5 miles, I think, give or take. So I'm gonna launch the drone and see what we can see. But this will probably be as far as I go, unless it's something's really cool right up the way here. All right, guys, I'm calling it, and I'm heading back to the car. I think we're about, I don't know, between 1.5 miles, 1.75 miles back on the trail. And I just flew up and saw a pretty cool lookout. I took some pictures with the drone, so I'll show you those on the video. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed this adventure today. It's been a lot of fun for me. It's again one of those places where when you live near something, you don't always get to it. And I've tried to come out here a couple times in the past, but there were pretty good brush fires going, so they had the road closed way back. Mavic Canyon as well gets closed sometimes for that. But this is an absolutely beautiful area, and to have this water running today has been really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching along as always. Thanks for supporting the channel. And I have some pretty cool videos coming up. I just made a big order today, and stay tuned for that in the next couple weeks. I'll have some fun stuff going on, some new mods for the Crosstrek. So all right, guys, cheers for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon.